Happy fall, Teami community. My name is Adia Razzini and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Teami Blends, but maybe you already knew that. For any of our new followers, our new subscribers, I started Teami about 4.5 years ago, and I'm really excited to share with you a new blend that I came out with for you guys just for fall. So have you guys ever had a chai latte, maybe from Starbucks, or you can get it from a coffee shop or a tea shop? They're super, super yummy and they're actually good for you, but they're filled with sugar. So we made our own version. It's called Teami Chai. This tea is really, really good. Number one, for the fall season, you get all of the different smells and aromas of the fall season because it has cinnamon and ginger and cardamom in it. The other great thing about chai that a lot of people don't know is it has a ton of health benefits. Teami Chai helps boost your metabolism, improve your digestion, naturally, of course, and it helps with just the natural immunity of the body to ward off different sicknesses that you could be going into with the changing of the season into fall. This is what the package looks like. And then this is what it looks like on the back. It has these really cute star anise. They smell amazing. Oh my God. It's like fall is going up my nose. Now I'm gonna show you exactly how to make this tea. You only want to steep it for 5 minutes because this tea has so many fragrant spices like cinnamon and cardamom, ginger and black pepper. If you steep it for more than 5 minutes, it can get bitter. So what we do is we steep the tea for 5 minutes. You can steep it for longer if you like, and then we take the tea bag out of your mug or your tumbler. It smells so amazing and it feels like fall in a tumbler. It smells so good. This is only after 5 minutes of steeping it, and then I took the bag out of the tumbler, and now you can enjoy your Teami Chai all day long. You can add stevia, honey spoon, or any type of sweetener that you want to make it a little bit sweet. It smells so good, and it's actually healthy for you. You can stay on track during fall by drinking your Teami Chai every day. Then you won't have the cravings to go to Starbucks and get a chai latte. It's the real thing though. Like everyone during fall goes to Starbucks and gets a pumpkin chai latte or a chai latte, and they are packed, they're like 300 calories. It's insane. You can get the exact same taste with this just by adding stevia or using one of our honey spoons. And if you want, you can add milk to it, make it a chai latte, but it's not 300 calories. Enjoy.